Hey everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. Got a special video for today. We have a box to open. Thanks for being here. Hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get started. All right, everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, A4WX, right here from my Ham Shack. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell next to it. We are so close to taking this channel to the next level. So right now, I have a package to open, and I figured we'd open it together. Now, I may ask for your help on this one, because this is something I am completely unfamiliar with. So we're going to be learning about it together. So if you can help me learn it, that would be fantastic. And when you can't find scissors or something to open the box, you improvise. Whoever thought of using a tape measure to open a box? So this is from Rockland. Can't read it, but that's all right. Out of Gainesville, Florida. So with this being as it is, yep, it's exactly what I thought it is. Very, very popular item right now within the prepper / ham radio community. And here we go. This is the Lilygo T-Deck Plus. Lilygo T-Deck Plus. Let me move the box out of the way. We're going to set this up together because I know nothing about this at all. Real quick before we dive into this, over here, wrong side, how about over here? You see, we now have the HamShackTV store. That is a big step for this channel. Folks, if you're needing ham radio equipment, whether it's radios, power supplies, antennas, coax, prepper supplies, prepper food, HamShackTV store has you covered. What I want you to do, you'll see it down below in the ticker, and I noticed the ticker's left over from the Santa Claus net. Forget that part, but you'll see the link for the HamShackTV store. It is hosted by Amazon. Just go to amazon.com/shop/HamShackTV, and you'll be able to find all the great deals that we've curated for you. And your support, you purchasing stuff from the HamShackTV store, goes to support this channel. We can do more things like this. So let's open this up and see what we got. So the box is open. Got a little piece of fuzz here, or packing material. And there it is. Looks like a BlackBerry, doesn't it? Pretty cool. So I am completely new to this concept. Completely new to this concept. I've had friends that have tried to get me into this for quite some time, and I've been like, yeah, it's a fad. It's a fad. And it may still be a fad. I don't know. But this is the Lilygo T-Deck Plus, and this is already pre-programmed, I believe, for Meshtastic, and that's what we want to do. Meshtastic is extremely popular right now, so there's no instructions with it, I don't believe. Let me look through the box here. Nope, nothing. You just get the case and another piece of foam. So let's dive in and see what we can do here. So you see we've got a full QWERTY keyboard up here in the front, and then this is a trackball, and then here's a screen, and it's also got the screen protector on it. We'll save the screen protector for later. The question is, how do we turn it on? It is USB-C powered. Has a battery already in it. So got two buttons. Got a switch on this side and then a button over here. Let's start with a switch and see what happens. Flip the switch. Nothing's happening. All right, so it's probably the button. Let's hold the button. And the button's not doing anything. Switch in button. No. What are we doing wrong here, guys? Does it not have a charge? That could be the... Oh, there it goes. Meshtastic. Here we go. me see if I can get the camera to focus a little bit on it. It's having a hard time focusing on it. Turn off the tracking. So you see we have no GPS present, so that's okay. We're inside the house. Looks like we have a 60% charge to start with here. And then let's scroll around here. So there's long, fast, and no GPS lock. So that's all I know about this thing so far. So I'm going to send a message. I just started typing letters. I'm going to say hello. Test. And then it's sent. Alright, so I do think we have a problem though. I think I have to go into the Meshtastic app on my iPhone in order to make this work. So I've already downloaded the app. Tell you what, let's do. I'm going to mirror my iPhone for y'all so you can see the iPhone. There it is. I'm going to bring this over here. And then share screen. Share screen. Allow. And then we're going to share this window right here. Alright, so you've got my cell phone here, so we're going to scroll over. If I can figure out how to scroll. Oh, I'm trying to scroll on Streamlabs. That ain't going to work. And we're going to scroll some more. Where are you, Meshtastic? Don't make fun of my goofy apps, y'all. I have a bunch of goofy apps on here. Alright, so there it is. It sees the radio already. How about that? I'm going to click it and connect. And so here on the Meshtastic device, it's giving me a code. So we're going to enter this code. It is 7157. Oops. 715752. And we're going to hit pair. It's communicating with it. And there we are. Subscribe to Mesh. All right. So we need to set the LoRa region. And we're going to select United States. And I don't know what any of this means. So we'll just hit save. Save configuration. Radio disconnected. Okay, so the Meshtastic device is rebooting. Let me come back to this screen here so you can see it. And there you can see it coming back up. And the phone is talking to it again. We'll bring that back up. And it's great. Alright, so this is all completely new to me. I'm just going to mess around here for a minute and see what all may be going on here. I wonder if I can rename it by chance. I might not be able to rename it from the app. It's hard to say. But we're learning. Folks in the chat or in the comment section, please go down to the chat and or the comments and let me know what there is to know about this thing. What are some tricks and tips and tricks? So I'm enabling the map here to see what we might see. And not really seeing anything in particular. So let's come back over here. Hello. I'm going to try to send another message now that I've configured it. Oops. I just sent a random message. So I just actually got a Meshtastic alert on my watch saying I received a message. Whether or not anybody else has gotten it, I don't know. I don't know anything else about this. But that's what we're here for. We're here to learn, right? Is there anything else I can do with this? So now I've got a message saying sending. Oh, I sent the letter J. Interesting. Okay. So let me see here. If I were to do a message from the mobile app, what would happen? Testing mobile app. And then let me put this back up and let y'all see if it comes through here. Says waiting to be acknowledged. Yeah, it's waiting to be acknowledged. Max retransmission reached. Okay. I don't see anything else about this. So, tell you what, let's leave this here for now. I'm going to keep playing with this, and as I learn, I will get back with you and show you more and more. This is an all new concept to me, and several of you may think I'm crazy because I don't know anything about it, but we're learning. So this is all about off-grid communications. This is not relying on a cell phone network whatsoever. It sends messages via the 915 megahertz band space or spectrum, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to do some learning. Get in the comments if you have one of these or have Meshtastic. Get in the comments and let me know about it. Maybe you can help me learn and help some other folks learn. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget about the HamShackTV store right up here. Go to amazon.com/shop/HamShackTV for all your ham radio, coax, transceivers, HTs, digital radio, prepper material, prepper foods, all that kind of stuff. Check out the HamShackTV store for that. Also, if you need your ham radio license, don't forget about my friends at Ham Radio Prep, hamradioprep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off their already great prices. They do have the Tech, General, and Extra Class courses, as well as some other courses like the Baofeng Basics, the HF Masterclass, and the MCOM course. So that's about it. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73s. This is AA4WX, WSCB 693.